Hi!
It's so easy falling in love with me. The way I do my hair, the way I make you laugh, the way we like to share a walk in Central Park.
So hi guys, as a supportive tita, watch muna tayo sa mga kids. We are here at Enchanted Kingdom.
There's no need to hide if you're into me, 'cause I'm into you quite intimately.
Kaway kayo!
And maybe
Rem!
one night could turn into three. Well, I'm down to see, 'cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So come give me a call and fall into us. I'm the perfect mixer, Saturday night and the rest of your life. And anyone with a heart would agree, it's so easy falling in love with me.
Grabe, wala pang 1 minute yon. How was it?
Easy.
Pila kayo ulit?
It wasn't
Wala
that
namang
bad.
feel. Did you
I was
enjoy it?
regretting it.
Hey, are you regretting it?
I regret the first one. But it's easy.
But this one, do you want to
I want to
repeat?
redo it later.
Okay. Video, this is video. Hello, enjoy! Guys! Reb! Mag-post kayo dyan. Picturean ko kayo. Dito sa gitna. Kaya nga. Yay! Dito kami sa Rialto, guys. Finally, makakapag-rides na rin. Bye! Guys, go, go, go. Eto. Oh. It's a joystick, so you can move. Woo! So guys, waiting muna kami sa pila bago kami makapunta sa loob. So far, konti pa lang yung pila. So sana ma-enjoy lahat ng kids yung mga rides dito sa Enchanted Kingdom because it's a holiday day. Enjoy! So ayun, finally guys, natapos na namin yung ride sa Rialto. Actually, it's one of the safest rides na pwede mong sakyan dito sa Rialto. Kasi halos lahat naman pwede unless may mga sakit sa puso, ganyan. Basta meron silang instructions sa labas kung sino yung mga pwede at hindi pwede. And actually, may nakasabay din kami na senior doon and sana na-enjoy naman yun siya ni nanay. Ganda! Saan kayo next? Hey, are you gonna ride the roller coaster before we go to lunch? Are you gonna ride the roller coaster?
If you eat lunch, you won't be able to ride that anymore.
Yes, because your tummy is too full. And it's not allowed. Enjoy! Hey, saan ko kayo papanoorin? Reb! Payong! Gracie, are you ready for the roller coaster? Maganda na may dala kayong payong kasi napakainit. Hindi siya kakayanin ng shades or sombrero ninyo. Ayan. So, dito tayo sa Space Shuttle. Manonood na lang muna tayo ulit. So, diba? Ang saya-saya nila, guys. Ayan. Enjoy naman ang mga kids. Sis, are you crying? How was it? How was it? How was it? Are you happy? Did you enjoy? You cried? Wow! Oh my God! But you will like again later! You will like again? How was it? How was it? Hey, you want to try again later? Can you still walk? Can you still walk? How was your knees? It's shaking. Is it shaking? Pagod yan. Nahilo ka? Nahilo ka? Hey, what happened to your arms? Naiyak sila. Di ko alam baka hindi na sila uulit mamaya. So ngayon, hanap na kami ng makakainan kasi lunch time na. So ayun, di ba? How was it? Yeah, she will watch this. Everyone will, hi mom. What can you say to your mom? Ayun. Yeah, she's shaking because Tita Margaret forced her to. Yeah. So we will eat that.
Ilan?
So guys, let's eat. Nandito na yung orders namin. So we're getting charge and refuel para sa mga susunod na rides. What's your food? Mac and cheese, lasagna. So we have here pasta alfredo, tiempo, mac and cheese, chicken, and barbecue. Enjoy! So ayun guys, kain muna kami. Enjoy! So welcome back guys. So after namin magmerienda ng DQ, dito naman kami sa Aguila. para present ang lahat sa ride. Come with us, enjoy. Medyo mainit pa rin yung araw, pero wala akong dalang payong. Mamaya, dito naman tayo. Welcome to Sari Buhay Village. Yeah!
Wala man lang yung mga people natin. Natalaw po kasi sa loob. Maliit lang po yung house. Ayun po. Okay.
Okay, so guys, in-instruct tayo ni ate na we have to leave our bags. Tapos meron dito sa gilid ng Agila, may makikita kayong mga lockers which is free for 1 hour. Syempre para sa mga magra-rides, may provision naman sila ng locker para wala kang dala sa loob. Eto. Ayan, so safe naman yan kasi may bantay si na kuya and may bibigay siguro silang susi. So, bye-bye muna. See you later, guys. Hey! Are you ready for that ride? You will ride this one. Yeah! So, hi guys. Kasi gusto ni Gregory mag-bump car. So, nandito sila sa Dodge Gem ni Tita Margaret. So, yun. Kakatapos lang namin mag-Agila. And I must say, mas gusto ko yung Agila kesa sa Rialto. Kasi medyo may mas thrill siya ng a little bit. And then, makikita mo dun yung sceneries sa Philippines. So, yun. Tsaka mas marami siyang movement. Pero hindi naman siya yung drop na ano. Basta soft lang, tsaka safe. So, ayun guys. Si Re bumibili ng potato corner. Gusto na yata magmerienda or naghahanap ng maalat. So, ayun. Sama pa kayo sa amin. Hanggang gabi tayo dito sa Enchanted Kingdom. Enjoy! So kung gusto niyo mag-visit dito sa Enchanted Kingdom, i-visit niyo lang yung site nila para malaman niyo yung promos and then kung magkano yung entrance. So for now, antay ko lang muna yung ibang mga kasama kasi kunwari bumibili pa ng potato corner. So kumusta?
Small but terrifying.
Small but terrifying. You like it? It's not terrifying. It's like a modern Ferris wheel.
But like the first part was scary. Like, so
Really? How about the fast one? I thought it's gonna like turn around.
no, it did. It like first like go clockwise and then counter.
Backwards. Yeah, I enjoyed it. So ayan, today is December 30, Rizal Day. Holiday ngayon, maraming tao. Pero okay lang naman, tolerable. Hello, nasan kayo? Na kami dyan muna. Mag-Vikings na kayo. Naghihintay ka pa ng fries? Sayang, ang ganda ng extreme. Magugustuhan ni Gracie. Ayaw niya. O sige, papunta na muna kami dyan. Lalakad muna. Vikings? Okay. So ayun guys, papunta tayo sa katabi ng Vikings kasi nandun daw yung potato corner at mahaba ang pila. Hindi pa sila natatapos. Ayan. Ina-encourage ko silang sumakay ng Vikings kasi masaya din dun. Let's see. Come on! Mainit pa guys. It's only 4 o'clock pero mamaya wala ng araw. Mas enjoy na. Hey, hey! Hey! Mahina yan ang signal. Potato corner. Mahina yan ang signal. Hello? Who's crying? Wow, ganda! Mga batang may express pass. Sasama lang ako para umexit.
My phone's got this.
Saan ka na mag-antay sa taas?
It's not gonna get wet. It's gonna get wet. I'm gonna put it like this.
Enjoy, enjoy!
I'm ready.
Are you ready to get wet?
No! Yeah!
Exit. Bye! Breaking! Bye! So guys, ang tita ninyo maghihintay dito sa tulay habang manonood sa kanila. Ayan, so enjoy! Pwede pala dito. unti-unti na po silang napapagod at sumusuko na sa ibang rides. Pero ito, Nandito sila ngayon sa air race. Kung saan nakakahilong rides naman. Turning around. Woo!
Standing on the highest ledge, right on the world's most windy edge, and making a brand new pledge to never live my life in fear, to make my purpose crystal clear. The reason that I'm standing here, my heart is beating like a drum. For all the things that are to come.
What? Excuse me.
Artista yan. Singer.
Really? Who?
Ano, Yellow Fur.
Oh, really?
Oh my God!
Go, 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 go! 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 Hala, halika na! Gregory, how was it? Gregory, how was it?
Lifetime, I'm ringing my own victory chime. The adventure of a lifetime, and I am not wasting any
Ayan, pukunan tayo.
world is rushing past my face in this amazing magic place. I'm running in a different race. Not one of slow and steady pace, but one of style and one of grace. A challenge I will now embrace. The adrenaline is all I need to plant a new and hopeful seed. You only get one life to
Jihun.
I have a lot of characters in my name.
Oh yeah.
So guys, after ng Rio Grande namin, hindi na kami nakapag-video ulit kasi tuloy-tuloy na yon hanggang parade and fireworks. So ngayon, we will have our dinner dito sa Vista Mall. Pre-treat ng aming mga pamangkin kasi namasko sila. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time!